Okay, I know I've done this 100 times, but it seems to be a popular question, so I'll do it again. Gauge information, gauge power. I guess not gauge, but handheld. This right here is the temperature, which in this case, it goes down to oil temp. So the one right next to it is crank trigger, right here. Crank trigger, there's magnets installed in the magnet, or in the pulley. Then you have an O2 sensor bung. In this case, it's that one. This one's for a sniper. That one's for the fitech. That's the fitech style connector. That's a snapper one, or sniper sitting down there. Let's see here, the plugs. So you can see it's a plug here and a plug here, which plugs into the fuse box relay. Here, I'll show you that guy. If I can get the top off. Oh, that's right, it's pinned. Sorry, it's pinned by that screw right there. When I put the screw in, I didn't know, and I pinned it. There you go. So there's your relays and your fuses. And that plugs into this guy and this guy. Basically, it's an interrupter. It interrupts this particular one. And then that's your main power and your fuel pump. And that's basically it for wiring. I have a little ground wire just hooked up right here because this is just a test stand. That's why it's got the vice grips, quick release. It's just to test the unit. This is the fuel inlet. This is the fuel outlet. It's marked return there if you see it. That's basically it. You do have some open ports here if you have brake assist or vacuum assist. Pretty straightforward. I'm programming this one right now. So let's hear a run. There you go. Okay, so I have a fuel pump override, but fuel pump on. Power on, you hear it feed. Let's get that guy to turn on. You can look at it. Here we go, and I'm going to crank.